Hi everyone, it's Mr. Stone again. I just wanted to hop on here and give you a quick reminder of how to get into Quaver. It is a program that I use to teach music every year, but it also has an online component to it that we use at school sometimes. But the assignment for tomorrow for everyone is to play around in part of that website online. If they have access. If they don't have access, that's not a big concern. But I just want to quickly explain how to get into Quaver. If they go to clever.com, one fun trick here, if you do a /Davis at the end of that, it will automatically fill in the blank with Davis County Schools, so you don't have to search for that. And then when you click login as student, most students should know how to get into this, but if they click login with Clever, this is what they're doing to get to several other things right now. I'm going to use my son's login to demonstrate this. So once I get him logged in, if you go down the page just a little bit to the Computer Lab Time section, you'll see the Quaver's Marvelous World of Music. And once you click on that, for most students, it should automatically log them in. It is going to ask with Flash or without Flash. If they are on a computer, with Flash should work okay. If they are not on a computer, if they're on a tablet of some sort or a phone, they can do the without Flash version and they can get to the same experience that way. It just has a few less features. So if we go to with Flash, you have to click allow to allow it to run Flash Player. And then once they get in, there's a lot of stuff in here they can do. But what we're going to focus on for this lesson is the metro. It's right here in the corner. It's like going down into a subway in a city. And then it takes them into the metro. And on this sign here are lots of things they can choose from. I just want them to explore some of these styles of music and learn about them. So I'm just going to pick the first one and take a ride on the metro to get there. And then it's going to talk to them about this style. Now I'm going to close that for a moment just so I can bring up one other part. Down at the bottom at menu, there is a book that helps give more info. There's a map that shows some things about that style. There's more music to listen to. There is a puzzle that they can complete about that style. And there is also a matching game to help them learn some different parts of that style of music. When they get done with the book, if they do the book, there's a quiz they can take at the end. So if they do those quizzes, I would love to hear the scores relayed back to me through Dojo Messenger or post a picture on their class portfolio. That would be great to see. They can explore as many as they want. If they go back to menu at the bottom, they can exit out and it will take them back to the station so they can go to a different style. If they get done with that and want to leave, they can either leave by clicking Quaver Street here on the right or clicking apps on the bottom, and this is where all of the other fun things are that they are used to playing with. So have fun with it, explore, and enjoy your time. I am going to quickly show what it looks like in the other mode. If you click without Flash, this is what you would get to in the without Flash version. You notice it is much more simplified. There are some creatives and interactives here. The interactives are a little more things they can do. If you go to Quaver books, these are the same books found in the Metro with the quizzes, but they don't have the interactive games and the songs playing built in with those. But you see the ballet, the blues, country, so they can get to those books and explore those books still from this side, but not quite as much as they could do on the with flash version. So works best with a computer, but still plenty of things they can explore without a computer. So I wanted to make sure everybody knew how to get to that and check it out. Enjoy and have a great weekend.